Okay, let's look at picture graph. This is your Targeting Mathematics Workbook 2B, Part 2. Okay, so I'm just going to go through with you. You don't have to do it. You wait until your school do it, then you do it. Alright? So let's look at this, page 61. Peters Primary School organized a carnival to raise funds for needy pupils. The picture graph shows the amount of money collected at each game stall within the first hour. So what I like to do every time I see picture graph is to write down the total number over here. So there's this part over here that's very important. It's a new thing that you're going to learn in primary 2. So over here it says that each rectangle stands for $2. So how many rectangles are there in store A? There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means each rectangle stands for $2. So how do you find all the rectangles all together? It's just 2 times how many groups of 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 equals to 12. Okay, so store A has $12. Alright, store B has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each rectangle stands for $2. So $2 times 9 equals to 18. So store B has $18. Store C 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 2 equals to 6. Store C has $6. So now you can answer the question, which store collected the greatest amount of money? Store A, right? Okay. Sorry, not store A, store B. Store B over here, $18. Okay. And then how much did it collect? You already calculated $18. It collected $18. Which store collected the least amount of money? Over here, 6. Store C. Okay. How much more money did store A collect than store C? So store A collected 12. Store C collected 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. Store A collected $6 more than store C. How much less money did store C collect than store B? Store C and store B, 18 minus 6 is 12. It collected $12 less than store B. Alright, so this is just the new part you have to learn in primary 2, where you look at what each unit stands for. Alright, okay, let's look at the next example. Okay, so look at the picture graph and answer the questions about the items in a school bookshop. So over here, remember this thing is very important, okay? So each triangle stands for 3 items. So how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each triangle is 3, right? So how do you find all the triangle all together is 8 times 3. So 8 times 3 equals to 24. Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 triangles. So 10 times 3 equals to 30. Alright, so over here there are 30 pens altogether. And then pencil 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 triangles times 3, which is equals to 21. Okay, 21 pencils altogether. Next one, scissors 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Alright, stapler 1, 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So you can see that each triangle stands for 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So that's why you times 3 all the way. Alright, so now you can answer the questions here. 2 triangles stands for how many items? So you know that 1 triangle is 3. So 3 times 2 equals to 6 items. So there are how many staplers? So staplers over here, there are 2 triangles. Staplers are 6. Okay, 6 staplers. Now, how many notepads are there in the bookshop? So notepads. Okay, notepads over here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 3. So that's what you're going to do over here. 8 times 3, which is equals to 24. There are 24 notepads. Next one, how many pencils are there in the bookshop? So pencils are over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, and each triangle stands for 3 items. So 7 times 3. 7 times 3, which is equals to 21. There are 21 pencils in a bookshop. Okay, then next one, the bookshop has the most number of This one, most number of pen. Okay, so you write pen. It has the least number of, which one is the least number? This one, stapler. Okay, stapler. There are 12 pairs of what? Okay, let's see. Which one is 12? This one, 12. Okay, 12 pairs of scissors. So, scissors. Okay, next. There are 9 more pencils than what? Okay, so which item has 9 fewer items than pencil? Pencil is 21. So, 21 minus 9 equals to 12. Right, so which item has 12? Scissors. So there are 9 more pencils than scissors. Okay, so this is scissors. Next, there are 6 fewer notepads than what? So let's look at notepads. Notepads got 24. Okay, so notepads has 6 fewer notepads than which item? So 24 plus 6 equals to 30. So which one is 30? Pen. Okay, that means notepads is 6 less than pen, which is 30. 24 is 6 less than 30. Right? So this is pen. Alright? So this is how you do it. Okay, let's look at the next one. Pupils in some primary 2 classes were asked about their favorite fast food. The picture graph below shows their choices. Okay, each fox stands for 4 pupils. So now you have to times 4, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4 equals to 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 4 equals 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times 4 equals to 40. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 4 equals to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4 equals to 20. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, fox stands for 5 times 4, 20 pupils. Okay, so what pupils like what? So 20, you just write the answer here. 20 pupils like, where's 20? Over here. 20 pupils like French fries. Alright, okay, next one. How many pupils like burgers? Okay, so burgers is over here, 36. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 4. So you're going to put here 9 times 4 equals to 36. 36 pupils like burgers. Next, how many pupils like pizzas? Pizzas are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 4. Okay, so 7 times 4, which is equals to 28. 28 pupils like pizzas. How many more pupils like burgers than pizza? So burgers and pizzas. So burgers is this one. Pizzas is this one. How many more forks are there? There are 2 more forks for burgers than pizza. So 2. 2 forks and 1 fork is 4. So 2 times 4 equals to 8. So 8 more pupils like burgers than pizza. So you can check over here. 36 minus 28, yep, is equals to 8. So sometimes you don't have to find the whole thing here and the whole thing here, then you minus. You can just find how many more forks are there for burgers than pizza. 2 forks. So 2 forks times 4. You get how many more burgers are there than pizzas. Alright, so 2 times 4, 8. So 40 pupils like, 40 is here, 40 pupils like fried chicken. Okay, how many more pupils like fried chicken than burgers? So fried chicken then burgers. Fried chicken's here, burgers is here. So remember, you don't have to 40 minus 36. You can just see how many more forks are there for fried chicken. 1 more fork than burger. So 1 fork stands for 4 pupils. So that means 4 more pupils like fried chicken than burgers. Next one. How many fewer pupils like onion rings than pizza? So onion rings and pizza. Okay, so you don't have to 28 minus 12, right? What you can do is how many more forks are there for pizzas and onions? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more forks for pizzas and onions. So 4 forks times each fork is 4. So 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 fewer pupils like onion rings than pizzas. Which food do pupils like the most? Which food is the least popular? This one you can do yourself. Alright, so that's easy. Okay, next one here. The same over here, the picture graph shows the number of chickens Mr. Sunny sold during a certain week. So Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chickens here, and each chicken stands for 5 chickens. So 8 times 5 is 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 1, 2, 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 is 30 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, so the same number of chickens was sold on what and what? Tuesday and Thursday, right? The most number of chickens was sold on Friday. How many chickens were sold on Monday? Monday, you already calculated 40. 40 chickens were sold on Monday. There are how many more chickens sold on Monday than on Wednesday? So Monday and Wednesday. So again, you don't have to do 40 minus 15. You can just see how many more chickens are there on Monday. So Monday has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more chickens. So 5 times 5 equals to 25. Okay. If you don't want to do this method, you can just do 40 minus 15 also. 40 minus 15 is also 25. Okay. So 2 methods to do it. There are how many chickens sold on Wednesday and Thursday all together? So Wednesday and Thursday, 15 plus 30 equals to 45. Alright? Or you can also do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chickens all together for Wednesday and 30. 9 times 5 is also equals to 45. Alright?